Here's how to make a running stitch. It's a really easy peasy stitch for beginners to learn. Begin by splitting your thread. I'm using 3 strands of embroidery floss and I'm tying a double knot in the end of the thread. If you're using all 6 strands, then a single knot is probably enough. You just don't want the thread to pull through the fabric if your knot is too small. Thread your needle and we're ready to start stitching. Bring your needle up where you want to start stitching. This is just a little stitch on this design to start with. And then leaving a gap, I'm using my thumbnail as a guide to bring the needle up and place the needle back down. Leave a gap, bring the needle up and place the needle back down. Don't pull the thread too tightly each time. Think about placing each stitch as you pass the needle back down through the fabric.